A food blogger lost 80% of her traffic in 2 years, and she never got outranked. Google just stopped sending the clicks. By the end of this, you'll know the 4 things that still pay food creators in 2026, and why a guy who's blogged since 1999 is suddenly making more money than ever. Because the blogs that died and the blogs that lived split on one decision, made years before anyone saw it coming. So how bad is it, really? Worse than the headlines. Storyboard 18 clocked food bloggers down 30 to 40% year over year. The Blog Herald asked 50 bloggers if they still made money in 2026. 31 said income fell, 9 called their blogs dormant. And here's the number that's worse than that 80. In 2023, Google sent publishers 51% of their traffic. By the end of 2025, 27. 3 things broke at once, and the first is the big one. Google's AI overviews now appear on more than 47% of recipe searches. When that box shows up, the click-through on the #1 result drops 34.5% on average, and up to 58% when the AI just answers the whole thing. Recipes are the worst case. How long do I boil an egg doesn't need a click. And yeah, you've done exactly that. Then the money behind the money cracked. Mediavine and Raptive, the ad networks that built food blogging, paid $30 to $50 per 1,000 views in 2022. Same creators, 2026, 12 to 22. So you lose half your traffic, and the half that's left pays less. And that compounds exactly as badly as it sounds. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. The blogs that survived weren't the best writers or the best cooks. They did one boring thing before the collapse. They built an email list. Pinch of Yum, Smitten Kitchen, Half-Baked Harvest, 6-figure lists before 2023. When search traffic fell off a cliff, the inbox didn't. That's the whole game. Own the audience. Don't rent it from Google. So is food blogging dead? Everyone says yes. The data says no. A study published in May 2026 found people still trust a human-written recipe over an AI one. Nearly half rated the AI version less trustworthy. The format isn't dead, the ad and search model is. Take David Lebovitz. He's been blogging since 1999. He moved to a paid newsletter and quadrupled his income. The OG didn't retire, he just stopped renting from Google. 4 things actually pay in 2026. A paid newsletter, a cookbook deal, affiliate done right, and selling something that's actually yours. Notice what's not on that list. Display ads on search traffic. And here's the thing, other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. We build structured recipe widgets that earn AI citations whether or not Google ranks your page, and turn a recipe view into a shoppable cart. A view becomes a sale, not a number that's about to vanish. Remember that blogger who lost 80%? Here's the twist. In March 2026, Google flipped its recipe panel to send clicks back to creator sites. The funnel that emptied is being rebuilt, and the creators who own their audience are the ones who'll catch it. So this postmortem isn't an obituary, it's a map. Next time, I'm cooking for one, with a pile of AI assistants, and reporting back honestly.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.